Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. That was a video of Nkosazana's daughter responding to the rumors that Master KG is her baby daddy, and these rumors were spreaded by Mac G, the one and only Mac G, guys. Mac G is doing the most, when it comes to spreading something. Just go to Mac G's podcast if you want to spread something, because his podcast, guys, has like 1 million subscribers and the views are just so insane. So if he says something on his podcast, best believe me, that thing is going to trend. It's going to be a topic for days. So now Mac G said, no, actually Cyril is not Nkosazana's daughter's baby daddy. It's the one and only Master KG, and they are dating. So now Nkosazana's daughter, obviously, like, she heard these rumors. She was so hurt when she was making that video, guys. I took out the sound because there was background music, but what she was saying on that video, she was so hurt, man, and you could tell she's so pissed, So she addressed the rumors, like, Master KG is not her baby daddy, and also the rumors, they are just, incorrect. And she also mentioned something like, she was just uploading Umechi, she was on the podcast and chill, so she was uploading Umechi, oh, he's such a cool guy and all of that, and then he goes and do this. And I'm also surprised also because not so long ago, guys, Umechi on his podcast, he was speaking about Nkosazana's daughter, saying that she's beautiful, she's everything that a guy needs, she is the woman that she thinks she is. And now he goes on and spreads these rumors. Like, it's just so confusing, it's so confusing. And Nkosazana's daughter is always out of these scandals, And according to our knowledge, according to the public knowledge, thina sazi ukuthi the baby daddy is Cyril. But Nkosazana's daughter has not confirmed, Cyril has not confirmed. But it's the rumors that are going around. I'm not sure whether they've confirmed again. Maybe other people have seen this because I'm not on Twitter. Maybe they've said something on Twitter. But to my knowledge, I've never seen any of them confirm. Or the public knowledge, the fans' knowledge. The baby daddy is Cyril. So now, Kesana, it's a big thing because now people are suspecting this might be true. And guys, like, these people work together, Nkosazana's daughter and Master KG. So there will be moments, here and there, but that does not mean he is the baby daddy. Asas, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like this video. I will see you on my next one. Bye.